Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to walk you through how to fill out the UK student visa application form online for 2025. First, open Google Chrome and search for UK student visa application form online. Once the result pop up, click on the first link. Next, click on Start Now to begin the process. You will be asked where you're planning to live. Select England and then click Continue. Now you'll need to select whether you have a current EU, EEA or Swiss passport. After choosing the correct option, click Continue. Then select the country where you plan to provide your biometrics. The step is important, so make sure you choose the right location. After that, it's time to fill in your details. This includes your travel history, academic background, and financial support. Be sure to double check your information to avoid any errors. Once you have completed all the sections, you'll need to upload the required documents. After everything's uploaded, go ahead and submit your application. Finally, you will receive instruction on how to proceed with biometric collection and any additional steps you need to take. And that's it. You have successfully filled out your UK student visa application from online. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.